Ready to deliver your final work professionally and ensure clients receive everything they need? In this video, I'll show you the exact process for delivering final files on Fiverr that leaves clients impressed and satisfied. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. How you deliver final files can significantly impact client satisfaction and your overall rating. A professional delivery process ensures clients receive their work seamlessly and know exactly what to do next. Let me walk you through the best practices. First, organize your files logically before delivery. Create a clear folder structure if delivering multiple files, and use descriptive file names that the client will easily understand. Avoid technical jargon unless it's industry standard. Use the official delivery system by clicking the Deliver Now button on the order page. This officially submits your work to the client and starts the review period. Never send final files through the regular messaging system for completed orders. Include all file formats the client might need. For example, if you're delivering a design, you might include the original editable files along with web-ready and print-ready versions. Check the order requirements to ensure you're providing everything promised. Write a clear delivery message that explains what you've included and any next steps. Mention each file specifically and provide brief instructions if needed. This shows professionalism and helps avoid confusion. A crucial pro tip: always deliver a few hours before your deadline to account for any last-minute issues. Also, consider including a thank you note and a reminder about your revision policy. This personal touch can lead to better reviews and repeat business. And just like that, you're delivering files like a true professional. A smooth, organized delivery process ensures client satisfaction and builds your reputation as a reliable seller. If this guide helps you deliver final files more effectively, please give it a like. What's your best tip for organizing files when delivering to clients? Share your methods in the comments below. To continue mastering order management, subscribe for our next video on how to add revisions to Fiverr orders. Thanks for watching.